Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today we will help you out by showing you how to make a nether portal without a diamond pickaxe in Minecraft. This is the strategy that all the speedrunners use, of course, because mining diamonds and then obsidian takes a very long time. Sometimes you'll see speedrunners go to the nether in like less than a minute, which is crazy, and this is exactly how they do it. You want to find a lava pool first, and you want to bring a water bucket and a flint and steel, just like that. Then you want to find a side of the lava that has at least 4 lava blocks next to each other like this one. This one has 5. Then you want to place a block in the middle right here. That's step 1. Step 2 is to place water. Step 3 is to remove it and then to mine these blocks. These blocks you want to turn into obsidian as well, so you want to grab some lava right there and right there. Then you want to pick up your water. And this is the important step, because now we're going to make our setup by building this 3 blocks high and 1 out, and then 2 here, and that should be enough. Then you can place your water on this block right here, and you can start building your portal. I'm going to do it pretty slowly, just to show it off. And as you can see, every time we place a block, it turns it into obsidian. Then we are going to want to collect our water, equip our flint and steel, just like that. And then we can light our nether portal. That's pretty much all there is to this video. It can be a little bit complicated if you don't get the setup correctly, but if you do, you can make a nether portal way quicker than what I just did. I did it a little bit slower to show it off, like I said, but I've made a lot of these in my day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.